You can organize your publications in a workspace by using categories. In this example, the Spotlight Series workspace has 12 publications, but no categories so far. To create a new category, you go to the Administration menu, select Manage Categories, select the protocols that you want to include in the category, create a new category, and now when you look at the publications, you can see them all, or you can see just those in category 1. To create a second category, you repeat the steps. Now in the publications, you see protocols in category 1, protocols in category 2, or all of them. To delete that category, you go to the Administration menu, Manage Categories, and you can delete the category you don't want to use anymore.